Hello guys, super lamig here in Armenia.
Yes, it's our first day here in Armenia. And yes, ang lamig. Anong oras natin?
Sobrang lamig. It's around 9 or 10 in the morning.
9 in the morning. And
Super lamig.
And ang ganda ng place, guys. So,
Nakita mo ba si Tito Vic and Joey? Here. Yes.
yes.
At
So, for today,
for
iikot
today's
tayo.
video, we will go around here in Armenia in
Yerevan. This is
Yerevan
Yerevan.
place.
Yes, tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin.
Yeah. See you guys later.
So, join na lang kayo guys habang nag-iikot kami. So, ito na, impromptu to, no edit
Yeah.
kung ano lang nakikita namin.
Hello.
So, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Day 1.
Stop mo muna.
Hindi, tuloy-tuloy nga eh. Para makita nila walkthrough to eh.
Ako naman.
Ikaw naman,
Ako na.
magsasalita ka ah.
Hindi, magtutuloy-tuloy lang
Kaya nga tuloy-tuloy kayo, magsasalita nga.
Sarado pa. Teka muna, wait, saan ka tayo pupunta? Pag ganun tayo, di ba? Doon sa flea market.
Ay,
Search mo muna.
so, at M sa
May
mga
laman.
guys, napaka-importante dito na may SIM card ka, na may data. Kasi
Yes.
otherwise, maliligaw ka.
Yes, really.
Plus, hindi silang ganito. Majority ng tao dito is hindi
Mababay.
nakakapagsalita ng English. Yes. So, okay?
Yes.
So, ngayon, magsisearch lang ako ng pupuntahan namin. Kasi itong napakagandang lakbayarang si Emily, gusto niyang pumunta sa night market. Ay, night
Yeah.
market.
No,
Flea market.
in a not totally flea market. It's like a market here who can you can buy souvenirs, cheap clothes.
Pero tingnan niyo, para ako nagsisigarilyo.
Oh. Di ba guys, sayang naman yung aking
Ka-outfitan mo.
short
pwede-
short hair ko kung di nakikita nila. 'Di ba? Maraming magaganda at maraming pogi. This is our place for now. Diyan kami nakatira. Yan ang aming binok na hotel. May mga butik sila. Ayan o, mga butik. Yan. Para ang, alam mo yung nasa Mabini, ganitong ganito dito. Yan. Kanta rito. Say hi. Yan. See, yung aming tinitirhan. Look. Very nice. First day in Armenia.
At Yossi nila, look, it's color green.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Yeah. Thank you. Say hello, madam. Yeah, see? They are
Okay.
very,
They are
friendly.
very friendly. It's like in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Pagkapait sila dito. Pag nausap mo sila,
Kakausapin ka.
kakausapin ka nila at ngingiti sila sa
Yes. You know, I have experience last night. Nung kumain kami sa isa sa pinakasikat na restaurant dito sa Yerevan. My God, hindi pa kami tapos na kumain. Kinukuha na ang pinggan. Kasi gusto nila, malinis yung pinggan mo. Papalitan nila uli. Ganon sila rito.
And actually, kagabi yon. So, dumating kami dito yesterday, magagabi na. So,
Oh, yeah.
kaya lang kami nakapaglibot, kumain lang kami last night.
Ito yung first day namin na maglilibot kami ngayon. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy yung aming video.
So,
Yan.
later again, guys. Ay, nasan ba? Ako. Later again, guys. So, ikot-ikot tayo, magwa-walkthrough tayo, yoyosi lang ako. And titingnan natin yung quality muna ng video kung maganda ba to or hindi. Kasi first time namin ginamit tong camera na to. Alright?
Armenia. This is a Yerevan place in Armenia. Come and enjoy!
So, meron silang supermarket din dito. Look. Saan tayo pupunta, ate?
We'll go to the flea market.
Yes. Anong name ng flea
I
market?
have no idea as of now.
Wait,
Just
waiting.
follow our map, Google Map.
Yes. So, that's vernissage. Vernissage market. Look. Yan, vernissage.
Para ka nasa Mabini.
Pero ang ganda ng, tingnan mo naman yung ano,
Mabini dati.
yung place.
Muusok yung aking bibig.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Malay mo, dito ko makita ng aking ano,
Yung future.
future.
Tuloy lang, walkthrough nga eh. Papakita nga natin kung anong itsura ng ano.
Pakita mo, wag
ng
na
Yerevan.
Isa lang lakad ko. Video naman.
So look guys, wow.
Sobrang lamig, grabe.
Yung mga structure niya ng building dito is very
Parang
European.
Intramuros.
Very European siya. Yung structure ng mga buildings. And look at this place. It's amazing.
Look at this place.
How was the experience so far?
As of now, yes, still, I need to check if I can enjoy here. But as of now, I'm enjoying.
Ay, wow.
Hokkaido. Oo. Yun naman.
Tuloy-tuloy ka lang, nahiya ka sa camera.
Hindi, para makita naman.
Nakiki-
Mananawa yung mga tao. At least yung mga views.
Nakikita nila yung views dito sa ano, camera, oh.
Morning!
Ah, para siyang turista nga naman talaga
I'm
siya.
from Philippines. First day here in Armenia. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Tingnan mo, oh.
Diba, makapalang mukha.
Parang
Yes,
artista lang kung mag-hi-hi sa mga tao dito.
Of course. Don't be ashamed, right?
Ah, pero alam mo kung nagdala sa outfit nito talaga?
Which one?
Yan yung medyas niya. Pinagandaan niya yung medyas na yan.
Turno in out. Turno sa outfit. But too cold. That's why I don't want to, you know. Oh. Arte ka, Emily. Para kang... Sobrang lamig. May konti pala dito. Oh. Konti. Breakfast open.
Breakfast choices. Ano, kain ba tayo dito?
Baka mahal eh. Tingnan mo, mamahalin ng dating. Yung
Oo.
paggabi, okay na yun eh.
Oo.
Kasi mahal pero sulit. Sobrang sarap ng ano nila, pork barbecue, tenderloin na pork. Tenderloin ba pork,
Yes.
no? Yung in-order mo, what is? Ano yan? Siya? What's that?
Braces. Ano yata?
Oops! Yun, stop. Ayan, pakita mo yung mga sasakyan.
Oo.
Naniligarilyo ka ba? Smoke. Para suso eh. Ang ganda oh. Mabini ang dati.
Tingnan mo, ang mga point of reference ni Emily in Dubai is Pilipinas talaga.
Parang Pinay eh. Parang Pinay.
Oh, Pinas ang sinasabi niya. Pero pag nakapunta siya ng Europe, magiging point of reference niya yung sa Europe naman. So ngayon, Pilipinas muna ang point of reference niya, guys. Okay? Aywa. Oh, ano na namang hinahanap
May
mo?
alarm to. May alarm.
Wow, ang ganda, di ba? So look at this place. Yung amazing talaga dito yung mga structures ng building nila. So good. Very Instagrammable. So kahit saan ka mag-picture, mag-video dito sa areas nila is you will surely enjoy it. And maganda ang kalalabasan ng picture at video. Tingnan mo naman yung upuan nila. Upuan pa lang, oh. Upuan pa lang.
Waiting for my future.
Oh, upuan pa lang. Pangmalakasan na.
Yeah.
Yes, very vintage style. Oh. Anong gagawin ko? Nagbi-video nga tayo eh.
Isa lang ito.
Oh,
Kaya
sige.
tinagal ko yung ano eh.
Oh, pipicturean kita. Oh.
Hindi naman ko okay ah.
Ah. So guys, pipicturean daw siya. Ay, ang ganda mo. Wow, shit. Saka. Ay, wow. Sino ka dyan? Sino ginagaya mo?
Okay.
Ay, wow.
Sobrang lamig. Is ganda. Ayan yung sinasabi pa ni Pepay.
Hindi yan yung nandoon sa Republic Square, yung pinunta natin kanina.
Doon ka nag-video?
Yeah, yun yata yung
Yun ang
nakita niya.
nagustuhan niya.
Okay guys, daan tayo sa Republic Square. Very famous yan dito eh, Republic Square. Just go straight. Pero ate, akala ko doon muna tayo sa ano?
Saan? Doon nga.
Sa market.
Oh.
So
sa
ano,
Stop mo muna.
baka dumaan na tayo sa Adidas. Hanapin mo yung Adidas.
Wala pa nga ako nakikita eh.
Oh, sige, lakad
Stop
tayo.
mo muna. Tapos para mamaya, doon naman.
Oh guys, so walk through daw tapos pinapa-stop niya.
Oh, stop muna.
Hindi pwede.
Later on, iba-ibang view naman, syempre. Ako naman maghahawak, ikaw naman magsalita.
Hindi,
Oh, tingnan
nasa
mo.
likod ako. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang muna.
Tingnan mo, tinderang ganda. Oh.
Oh, tindera pa lang. Model na.
So, tanong mo kung pwede siya.
Hindi pwede yan.
Morning! Good morning! Good!
Oh, tingnan mo, parang nangangampanya.
Tingnan mo
Oh.
yung fountain, pero kasi malamig ngayon, kaya close muna.
Oh, baka bukas.
Pinaklose ko yan, pinaklose ko.
Ah.
Oh, ha? Sabi ko, stop muna, sobrang lamig, dadaan ako. Kaya kinulose nila.
Look at this one. Look at the structure of this building.
Yeah.
Oh, 'di ba? Yung kalapati para lang Italy, 'di ba?
Nice, yeah.
Oh, Italy lang.
Oh. So nice. I love it. Good morning!
Parang baliw
Good
lang.
morning!
Pinagtitinginan siya dito.
So what? Nobody knows me here.
Aywa, that's true. Oh, look at
Ito,
this one. Ang
ganda ng
ganda.
hotel.
Fuck.
What? Anong name ng hotel? Grand Hotel?
Grand Hotel. Yerevan.
Adidas?
Look at the structures. Tingnan mo naman yung mga structure ng buildings nila dito, ng hotels nila. Quality.
Ayan ang
Ganda talaga.
Ibis.
Yan. Walk through tayo guys. No filter, no edit. Kung ano lang nangyari for this day sa ano namin.
Morning! Morning! Oh, look at him! Morning! Picture eh! Tayo mag-picture!
Ano, picture pa.
Take picture, madam. Okay? Came from Philippines. First day dito.
Yes. But we're yes. Oh, see? Ang babait nila, oh, di ba? Nice one. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kapal lang ng mukha, no? Kapal lang face. Ako naman, ikaw naman.
Hindi nga.
Nahihiya ka lang. Pakita mo yung outfit mo. Outfit ko today ni Impon.
Yan. Papunta na tayo Republic Square. Hindi pa natin nakita yung Adidas.
Sana tinanong natin.
Okay lang yan. Walk through naman.
Yeah, okay.
Ganda.
Tignan mo yung Ibis Hotel.
Just like this. And dito, Kasi winter time kami pumunta, pero during autumn here, oh my god. Yellow talaga. Nag-orange yung mga ano. Yes. Aywa. So yan. So guys, kahit maaba yung video, panoorin nyo lang. Kapal na po.
Dapat nasa Facebook mo yan.
Ilalagay natin niya, upload natin siya.
Ay, ano mo, ikat-kat mo, sobrang haba.
Hindi siya ikakat kasi nga walkthrough siya.
Oo, even,
Para makita.
Pero for 30 minutes, ikaw, nakakatamad ding ano yun, no?
Oo.
Panoorin.
So guys, ano ba, ikat daw natin or wag?
Yes,
Oo.
cut it.
Sa comment down below, mention nyo lang sa comment down below kung gusto nyo ba tuloy-tuloy or ikakat-kat natin. Hindi na siya walkthrough.
Ang gwapo naman
Unfiltered.
niya,
Oh. Oh.
Si Superman, oh. No?
Okay, I think we can pass na. We can cross. Pushkin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry?
Do you want to?
Give
What
me,
is
give me,
that? A
give me.
tour? Yeah.
Give me. Where's the prices?
One Barney Temple, 1st century, best place of Armenia. Next, Gerard Monastery, half a make, half inside the cave.
Okay.
Stone of Symphony, best places. You
Okay.
will see which make Vulcano.
Okay.
Challenge Arc. Today is very nice day. You will see Ararat. Ararat like this. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And the next, Lake Sevan and Sevan Monastery. Very interesting tour. 7 hour for 2 people. Private tour, only private tour. 2 people, 40,000 drams.
Okay.
40,000.
Maybe $100, $105. This one.
I think.
Very interesting.
360.
About how much here going to Seven?
Only 7 you wanna?
Yeah, for example.
Only 7, 20,000 drams.
20,000.
Yes.
20,000 bente.
This is a
200.
$52, $53.
$52.
Yes.
Yeah, 200.
Yes.
Okay. I will just save this because maybe we're planning today, tomorrow or day after.
No
We'll save
problem,
it.
no problem. Call me WhatsApp, please.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
this
And
year, sir.
where is you staying? In the morning, 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, I'm coming complete.
Okay.
Grand Hotel, your?
No, the other one over there.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Send me your address. In the morning, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. At the picture mo nga itong mga places niyo.
Yes. Have another too much places. But
Okay.
this one is
Where's
first
the
one.
eyes? Eyes.
Eyes?
Where's
Everywhere eyes.
Everywhere eyes.
Everywhere eyes. When you want
I think
this
one.
one.
This is one. It's a castle.
This
Monastery.
This is a Zakazorski cable car have.
Okay,
And
go.
when you want go to the mountain, too much snow, too much. Ski and
this one, how many hours?
28
How many hours?
hours?
Yeah. We'll
Going.
Go there. Go.
1 hours.
1 hour.
Yes.
9 hours?
One?
One.
This 5 places is 40,000
Ah,
rand.
5 place,
places.
40,000.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
5 places, not
for,
one.
For us.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
yes.
but we can choose or only this one?
This is the first day.
First day.
Ah, okay. Okay.
I want to go to Dilijan.
Dilijan? Not interesting.
Nothing.
Not interesting. In the winter, not interesting.
Yeah,
We
big,
have
big.
this one. What we have?
Yes, this one interesting. Zakazorski.
No,
Cable
but
car here. Have.
Okay.
This one what we have. That's why now interested.
Lake.
Not interesting
It's lake.
in the
Yeah,
winter.
what is that? That's why not interested.
Lake.
Lake only?
No. This is
Water, lake.
small
place.
cities lake.
So,
Lake, big lake, this is 7.
maybe this one, and this until here, right?
Oh,
Yes.
di ba? Namimili na siya. Oh, so magkano daw?
This is for special for you free.
Ah.
Zakazor free.
So how much these 5 places? How
6
much?
places 40,000 rand.
Okay.
For your special price.
40,000.
40,000 for,
Okay.
for both of us.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we will contact you. We just
Okay.
enjoy today, then we will contact you. For sure, huh?
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you say thank you in Armenia?
Shnurakkalutyun. But this is a long. All Armenian people ask like French merci.
Only mercy.
yeah,
They understand
yes.
mercy.
Mercy understand.
All Armenian people ask merci.
Mercy. Okay, mercy.
Thank you so much.
Mercy.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you. Pwede na yung 40,000.
Yeah, sa mga 350 dirhams.
Oo, so, yun, okay na yun.
350, 370 dirhams, ganyan.
Ano tinanong mo sa Adidas? Yun ba yung kagabi nakita natin? Levi's yun, di ba?
Wait lang.
Okay na.
So guys, mamaya na ulit. Guys, look at this one. Vostan restaurant. Restaurant pa lang yan, ha? But look at this. Yes. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Look. Oh my God. Ganda. Ganda.
So guys, we'll go to sa Vernissage public market here in Armenia. Come and let's see. Dito tayo. Wala kang ganong tao. Magko-crossroad tayo. Ito, park nila, parang si Jose Rizal. Ito tayo.
Doon mamaya na tayong magpicture dyan.
Head southwest on Anna Petulian Street toward Luzon Street. Navigation guide. Head southwest on Anna Petulian Street.
Wow, ang ganda ng araw.
Magano muna tayo.
Sige, sige.
Bigla na alak. Ay, kape.
Wine. Ito mga may wine siya. Ayan o, mga wine. Sarado pa yung ano. Anong oras na ba ate? Sarado pa yung mga ano niya.
Ken.
10. Tanong mo nga kung anong oras nagbubukas talaga siya.
Palagay ko bukas na yan, oh. Ito, no.
These are Armenian t-shirts.
How much?
T-shirt 4,000 big size.
4,000. Magkano 4,000?
35.
Armenia,
35.
Armenian Ararat, Armenian flag, the back map. It's all cotton.
Okay. Like this, how much?
10,000 jacket.
10,000?
80, 85 ganyan.
85. Ay, pala.
This t-shirt good.
Okay, we'll think, pare. Ha? Think after come back. Okay?
Okay. It is discount, okay?
Okay, how much the last price you give?
35 t-shirt
35
big size.
t-shirt. 35. Pakita mo yung mga souvenir. Mga bag. Kung di ba mahilig ka sa mga backpack. Ito, ano ba ito? Manipis pala.
Ano natin?
Oo, manipis. Ang priority ko kasi yung
Yung alin?
pajama. Hindi ko na dala yung pajama ko. Wala naman, sarado ko.